Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wix Studio CMS to publish scheduled content step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Wix Studio account. Navigate to the dashboard of your site. Locate the CMS section on the left sidebar. Click on Content Manager to access your content. Select the dataset you wish to update. In the dataset, locate the item you want to schedule for publishing. Click on the item to open its settings. Find the Publish Date option within the item's settings. Set the desired date and time for your content to go live. Make sure to save your changes after setting the date. If needed, repeat these steps for any additional items you want to schedule. Once all items are scheduled, return to the dashboard. Click on Site from the left sidebar. Select Publish to ensure all scheduled content is ready for publication. Confirm that your site is published successfully. Double-check the content and its schedule in the Content Manager. You're now all set to publish your scheduled content using Wix Studio CMS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.